Life in Ladakh. Ladakh literally means the land of many passes. Ladakh is a vast highland desert lying between the Karakoram and the Himalayan range in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The present-day Ladakh is divided into two districts, that is Leh and Kargil. Ladakh covers about 117,000 square kilometers and includes the Karakoram range and the upper Indus River Valley, the Karakoram range in the north and Zanskar Mountains in the south enclose it. Several rivers flow through Ladakh, but the most important is Indus. This river forms deep valleys and gorges. Its natural features consist mainly of high plains and deep valleys. Besides, several glaciers are found in Ladakh, for example, the Gangotri Glacier. The altitude in Ladakh varies from 3,000 meters in Kargil to more than 8,000 meters in Karakoram. Due to this high altitude, the climate is very cold and dry. Due to such height, the air is thin to such an extent that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. The day temperature in summers is just above 0 degrees and the night is about -30 degrees centigrade. It is freezing cold in the winters when the temperature remains below -40 degrees for most of the time. As it lies in the rain shadow area of the Himalayas, there is little rainfall as low as 10 centimeters. Fine, dry, flaked snow is frequent. Sometimes the fall is heavy. Most parts of the region are inaccessible, where the people and the cattle remain indoors for most of the year because of the cold.